Nintendo is bringing back the NES. Nintendo's original game console is coming back. The Nintendo Entertainment System, or NES for short, will be getting a mini makeover and come preloaded with 30 games like all 3 original Mario Brothers games, Donkey Kong, Punch-Out, Excite Bike, Bubble Bobble, Castlevania, and more. The $60 mini console will also come with one NES controller, but you can buy another one for those 2-player games for $10. If you already have a classic controller or a controller Pro that they used on the Wii or Wii U, you can use that as well. Not only will you never need to blow crazily into a game cartridge anymore, but you'll also not need to fiddle with annoying composite and component wires either. The NES Classic Edition will be able to connect to TVs via an HDMI cable. You won't need to wait too long to play all of those classic NES titles on your big screen TV because the mini console hits stores on November 11th. I'm Jeff Bacalar, and you can keep up with the hottest tech stories right here at CNET.com/update.